going out there in YouTube world. Today we are on a new adventure. The Baker family is going on their last camping trip of the season. Not of the year, just the season. So it's warming up, and actually I think we waited a little too long because it is kind of really warm, and I know this camping trip is going to be a really warm one. But we had promised Brandon we were going to go on another kayaking trip, so that's what we're doing. And here we are at the end of April, and we are on our way. I've got my car loaded, and Randy and Brandon are behind me with the kayaks and the truck, and they got the truck pretty much loaded too with stuff, because we're gonna camp mostly all week long. So we are headed to Kings Mountain State Park, and that is up by Blacksburg, South Carolina, on the North Carolina-South Carolina border. And we've never been to this campground before, so we are going to go check it out and maybe do a little fishing. We're going to do kayaking, of course, and maybe some hiking and whatever else we can find to venture into, because that's our name. We're Baker Family Adventures. We have to get out and adventure somewhere, right? All right, so we are on our way. Yesterday was Easter, and it was a very uneventful Easter at our house. It was just me, Randy, and Brandon. Rebecca and Zach had plans, so it was just us, and Randy cooked his traditional ham like he always does, and we just basically had a laid-back day. I'll throw you back to a little bit of our cooking yesterday and just our Easter Sunday. So here you go. We're up here around Columbia. We're hitting a little bit of traffic, which was expected. So they're doing a lot of construction up here on I-26, and then it's Columbia, of course. So we're hitting a little bit of traffic, and my car says it's 85 degrees. Hope it cools off. We'll see you when we get to Kings Mountain. Well, we made it here to our campsite, and we got everything set up. There's Brandon's tent. Here's our tent. Randy's over there getting our dinner going. We're gonna have chicken tonight. And Brandon, if y'all know anything about Brandon, he's already out in the lake in the kayak. We got a lot of nature sounds going on around us. And we're backed up to some woods right here. And there's the sun setting. So we're here, and my goal with this camping trip is to relax, take naps, go hiking, maybe a little fishing, read a few books, and just enjoy our time here. We're down here at the little boat dock. The little boat dock. We rented a little John boat, and me and Brandon have the kayaks, and we are gonna go out and do a little fishing out here in the big lake. You can't see it yet, but that's where we're headed. And it looks like we might get some rain. Hope not, but our luck these past few trips we've been on, we've gotten rain. back here at the old campsite, just kind of chilling for a little bit. Got my workout kayaking. I can definitely feel it in my stomach and my arms. So I'm here just hanging out, waiting on Randy and Brandon to finish doing their thing. Randy's still trying to catch some fish, and if you know Brandon, he's in his element. He is in the kayak, in the water, and he's having a great time. So I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit, and maybe I'll get to see some little squirrels doing something, or maybe catch some other wildlife doing something. I just came here to chill, enjoy the nature, enjoy the scenery, and relax. It would rain. Our last few trips it has rained or snowed or both. And I was trying to cook my hot dogs. But at least the mosquitoes aren't biting.